Hopefully this sounds good. Okay, I think it sounds good. Greeny cartoon adaptation? Oh, that'd be cool. Anyways, hey everyone! Luigi Brown here. And today we're gonna be doing something different. I've never really done a live stream like this before, where I just work on a game, because usually I just play. Hey, Scott here. So yeah, we're just gonna go right into programming, and your eyes are going to die from looking at the stuff that I have to look at every single day. Can you guys hear that thunder? Maybe you guys can. It is like lightning outside right now. Yeah, thick blocks. Okay, well, it is time to start coding. So right now I have the project muted. I'll probably unmute it just for the stream so you guys can like listen to it and stuff. I'll make sure that it's not too loud. So right now, obviously you can see like some layering problems up here with the lives, which obviously is not a good thing. And it's not even like the lives, it's all of the scoreboard actually. What do you use for this live stream? For the live stream, I use Streamlabs. But so let's go over here because I'm having a First of all, why is this spawning here? I thought I already fixed this problem, but apparently I didn't. So I don't know why this is spawning here. It makes no sense. And then we have Greeny's eyes are flashing now. Yeah, actually. I'm working on that right now where if you go to a dark area... Oh, well... Yeah, there's like an ice power-up there, but the ice power-up's not showing up. Yeah, it's kind of a buggy mess right now. But as I was saying, if you go to a dark area, the eyes like kind of flash up. Mainly for this area over here, but it's still like kind of incomplete. But, if some of you guys saw on Twitter, slope physics! Yeah! I was really happy when I integrated like the slope physics. And I have all the thanks to Tails because he gave me the slope code in the first place, which like calculated the slope. If I didn't have that, there would not be any physics. But if I come back here, like, this is all like in the right place now, but for some reason, if I restart the project, like, the code was awful though. I bet Hobie rewrote most of it. Not really. Like, if you go back here, it looks mostly the same. It's just like a bit of like added on to it, and I had to make rotation fix stuff. Can't wait to mod Greeny the Blox into Sonic 1. That would be quite interesting. Okay, so let's go back to the problem at hand here. Coming down here. Oh. It fixed itself? What? What? How did... Okay, well, I guess it fixed itself. Anyways, I guess the next... Oh, but there's still this down here, which I don't know where this is coming from, actually. I don't... Wait, what does the ice power-up do? I'm actually still kind of working on what the ice power-up itself does. Like... I'm thinking, like, what it can do is, you can walk on water because, well, ice, obviously. The waterfall looks like Gatorade. Wait. No. No, don't say that. Don't say it looks like Gatorade, no. At least we got, like, Cascades down. Still. I don't know why this spring is showing up, to be honest. I don't want it to be showing up, but Gatorade Flow. I mean, this world isn't exactly the most realistic. I mean, what kind of world do we live in where a robot square? Wait, he's not green, he's blue. That's because, like, there was an ice power-up over here, and I got it. Let me just, reset his, color scheme real fast. There we go. Music's back as well. Bluey the Blox. No! He's not blue! Okay, so this is still spawning up. So, it's not 125, like, in height, which makes me believe that it's this. But, like, why would it be this? Unless it's just this code right here. I literally just fixed this problem before I started the stream. And now it's back. And I bet, yep, that's the problem. I genuinely don't know why. It just kind of has this weird thing where this turns into a spring. And I know it's this sprite because if I like have a forever loop in this sprite and make it change color, if I reload the area and then go back. Wait, it's gone? Where did it go? Ah! What is going on? This music is banging out. Yeah, I actually remade the song because before it sounded horrible. Hold on. Where did this spring that was here go? I didn't fix it, I know that. This game audio is a little loud over your voice though. Okay, let me change the stream audio then. It should be quieter. Yeah, that's true. You're kind of quiet, LB. That's because my mic. You know what? I'm gonna unplug this microphone. Unless, like, is it taking input from my microphone? Properties. Device. Snowball. I think that might have made a difference, maybe. Are you gonna add this to Sage 2022? Probably not. Probably because, one, it's not gonna be ready by then, are you kidding me? Was the transfer cancelled, or did they change their minds? I don't know. I don't know what happened to Sage. But I probably going to... Yeah, see, you can tell that this spring is from this sprite. It's this code right here. So if I just, like, remove that part, is it gonna load everything else perfectly fine? I wonder. It looks like it, which is weird. Some drama between the Sage people. Yeah, I remember that. I remember hearing all about that. Ah! Trying to move my phone, and I'm making a mess. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I remember hearing about that. Hello, Firefox No Name. Oh, shoes, I just made Greeny not be able to move. There we go. So I wonder, though, like, if I restart the project real fast again, I'm doing that a lot, just trying to fix this problem. I don't know why a spring is, like, spawning in. Quite strange. Wait, close the menu again. That's a funny sound. Wait, why did I stop the project? The select sound, it's here. I know that. It's literally just a trumpet. Honk. Hajonk. Yeah. Hajonk. Can we get some hajonks in the chat? Fast do. Yeah, it's literally just a. Oh, I thought it was a scratch. I thought it was scratch. All games epic. No, not all scratch games are epic, sadly. Hajonk. Why do you guys keep saying hajonk? Okay, so the spring is gone, which is definitely a good thing. But the thing that was it was supposed to, wait. There's water missing. Hold up. No. Let me kill this enemy real fast. Draw Greeny playing a trumpet with the text. John. Wait, what was cool? Yeah, there's water missing. There's supposed to be water here. Hajonk. Why aren't they Hajonk? If I go over here. Oh. Well, then it spawns in. That's coming from the snow world to the grass world. Oh! So what that is like you're up in the mountains, hence the name Hillside Heights. Like, yeah. Yeah, this is like the top of the mountains that you're at. And then you just jump down. And there you are. Down here. Why is there a loading screen? That's super cool, thanks. There's a loading screen because it or more of like an intro screen. It's an intro screen and a loading screen, because the loading, what it does is it loads everything at different times just to make sure the game doesn't like lag to heck and back. But also it layers stuff. Now obviously layers are kind of broken right now up here. But yeah. Certified Hajonk. Why are you guys so fixated on the word Hajonk? Why is there a water in the air? What? Hold up. I keep forgetting that the ice power-up's there, but like, does that mean that... Okay, so the spring's not even spawning over here. The collision is, but not the spring itself. That's really strange. Gatorade has wings. Dang. Okay, 0.01. Maybe that'll fix the problem? Just spawning it in, like... Gatorade gives you wings! Why is there water in the air? Okay, it's gone, but like... Solution... Salutate... Why is it... Why'd I say solutions? It's salutations. Hi, Speedy. Okay, so the water is all, like, loaded in now correctly. But then that begs the question of, like, why is the spring not loading in? That makes no sense. Object number here? Okay, well, let's see. It's in the O's. Soup. Where are the O's at? There they are. Wait a minute. Object number here. I'm looking in the O's and it's not there? What? Object number... Oh, that's because of the add-on I added. Where... Okay, that makes more sense. LB, have you ever experienced switching to another engine? Like, yes, I have actually. I've coded in Game Maker Studios a bit actually last year. So yeah, I definitely have experience with other engines. Okay, so let me see something. It has its own thing, right? Object number, yeah. That tree is cool. Which tree? Like the square ones? Okay, the spring's still not loading, which is really aggravating, but this, like, square tree? That's not that cool, it's just a tree. Also, like, power up for the freezing thing. I don't know what it's gonna be used for yet. I wanted to learn Unity, but I feel like I had no chance to make a decent game by myself, so I might as well just enjoy the challenge of making Scratch games for a little longer. That's kind of why, like, I'm making Greeny the Blox, just because I'm the most skilled at it. It said another object spawned in? Which object would that be? Like, there shouldn't be any other object that's spawned in. Hold on. Unless there's, like, one here? Which there shouldn't be. This game's all kind of whack sometimes. Like, seriously. Here you all sound smart, and here I am just thinking, Hajonk! Greeny should have a wait animation that is just Hajonk. I think it'd be cool to have, like, different animations depending on where you're at. Kind of like what Rystar did. Why is this not spawning? Type? Is the type, like... So the object number here. What costume is it switching to? Yes, the Rystar. This is like hurting my brain. Rystar but good. Okay, listen, buddy. I may think that I've done a pretty good job, but to be Rystar, I don't know. Okay, so let's think. This is not spawning when it's supposed to. Like, if I try and spawn it in. Why does it spawn in then, huh? That makes no sense. What? Like, it's just not showing up? This makes no sense. Why is it just, like, not showing up? Rystar? Yeah, now it's like... What? And then, wait, there was a spring there. And it's from this? Guys, you have no idea how horrible it is to work on this game sometimes. Because I have to deal with stuff like this. And it's, like, dreadful because it makes no sense a lot of the time. Let me just add this waiting time to see, like, if it does anything. I didn't want to do that. Where'd the code go? There it is. I just realized I'm lying on a thumbtack. Hey, at least you have time to do it. How? How what? Okay, so going back here. That spring is still there. What is that spring from? Let's try and, like, load everything at different times. Just to see, like, what happens. Okay. So we don't have any objects right now. This is object 4, which is the zip line, which isn't loading and is instead loading this. Listen, I don't know your skin. Have you ever changed your block colors or block thickness? No. Okay, so why is it doing this? Is it because... Okay, wait a second. Let me look at the enemies and what I did for them. So, section for me. Did I set like a type for each enemy? That may be the problem. Enemy number individual. Section for me. Enemy number individual. Oh, okay. I made my goal as soon as possible so I can raise my... Okay, that makes sense. I just like the thicker blocks. I don't know why. Enemy type for me. Yeah. So I should make an enemy... I should make an object type for each object. Which is gonna take a while, but it'll be worth it. I keep telling myself that. Gosh dang. Okay, it will be worth it. It will be. Object type, and then for me with a nice big smiley face on it. And I accidentally made it for all sprites. Gosh dang it. Convert to the sprite only. Okay, so object type for me, and then just have to wait for the game to lag a bit because why not? Insert clacking noise. That's my keyboard. Number for me, and then enemy object. Oh, not enemy object. I've worked on enemies so much that I'm just used to the word enemy. Loud. Oh, shoot! I should not do that. Okay. Object type for me. Yeah. Look at that. Nice and easy. Okay, object type for me. Object type for me. Just simple stuff. Now, will this fix the problem? I have no idea, but it's worth a shot. And it doesn't seem to have changed anything. Which is quite ridiculous. In fact, nothing new loaded. Everything's just springs. Why is everything just springs? What? This makes no sense. Hold on. What in the heck is going on right now? The springs are gaining sentience. This is what happens when you make a game. And... Dumb. Sir, are you okay? You're not in the correct spot. This is not good. Springs have okay, so there's a spring here? Like, why is there a spring there? What happened? Like, seriously, what happened? Hi. And then there's springs here? There are springs everywhere! What happened? Oh my gosh! There are literally springs everywhere. Oh! What have I done? What have I done? Oh! Oh my gosh. Okay. The spring uprising. What happened? Why is it all springs? It makes no sense. It's not these, is it? It shouldn't be. It looks like there's a smaller version. And I can tell because... Actually, no, I can't. Change color. Like 25. That's gonna like cost you stuff. No, it's not this version? Object different. What costume is it switching to then? Blox. Okay, so then it can't be this, right? If it is, then that'd be weird because it's not even in the same sprite. Yeah, it's not. Then what is going on? Why is everything springs? This makes no sense whatsoever. Like, try again, I guess. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna come over here and there's gonna be springs. Oh, there's just gonna be nothing. Nope, there's the spring. So let's try and spawn this object real fast. Captain Crunch, oops, all springs! No! Let's just try and spawn this. It's not working. Why not? Wait a second. Was that the problem? Hold up. I may have just made the stupidest mistake ever. Hold up. If this was the problem... Probably was. Oh, high waterfall. And then there's a spring there. So, no, that wasn't the problem, was it? No, why are there still springs? Oh my gosh! Get over here. Come back. There's still springs. What is going on? Like, seriously. I can't fathom what happens. I'm just gonna try and load one thing. Okay? Can you do that? Nope. You're still just... Okay. So... It's loading this, and it's not even loading the spring over here. Some hacker trying this finally worked! No. So... It's so strange why this is not working. Does it need to like run without screen refresh? Is that why? That's probably not the issue. Yeah, like... No, don't delete the block. Don't delete the block. So, running without screen refresh... It was working before. So that begs the question of... What's wrong now? Object number here. Oh, wait. Welcome back. I think I just figured out the problem. And I'm gonna look like an absolute buffoon because of it. So... is this the problem? I think I actually figured out the problem this time. And if I go up here... Wait, what? Is it still just a spring? Why is it a spring? That makes no sense. Why? How? This makes no sense in this way. Why is there a spring there? Okay, what if I do... I have it set for this sprite only, so maybe... Object number here. Oh, that's the object! Then it needs to be switched object type. Wait, did I make a big oopsie again? Don't tell me I did. Well, is type like... Hold on. Oh, no, I didn't want to do that. People are gonna be like, whoa, what happened there? How many variables in list do you have? I have a lot of variables. I only have, 4 lists, though. Oh, no, 5 lists. Springs. Yeah, there's a lot of springs. Wait, costume? Oh, yeah! Because that's for, like, switching sections. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna listen to the stream while work on Speedy 2, Spring Bug, Spring Hills. I think I know what the problem is, so I'm gonna fix it. Because this type variable, I think, is the same type variable that's being used in the enemies, which I don't think is a good thing. So, let's try and fix that. Type objects. Welcome my game to Pomodoro. Nice. Type objects. Oh, I just clicked on the same thing. What am I doing? Okay. So type objects, and then set it to type objects. Here we are. Yeah, because I think types are a different thing. Is that the game that you've like been working on Twitter? Okay, here we go. So, type objects 4. Now, moment of truth. Looking up. It's not there. Oh! Here it is! Okay, so it switched to the right sprite. That's a good start. That is a really good start. But now we just have the problem in the fact that it is not in the right place. When multiple people start working on... Oh, I thought it was like the game you're working on. Pomodoro is when... Super Greeny? No, it's... Ice Greeny. Ignoring the same things at the same time, it's supposed to help in making progress, because it's like collectiveness or something. People can work on the same schedules, like work break, etc. Okay. So, we have the right sprite, so... Yay! It's just not in the right spot, which is definitely a problem. Okay, buddy, let's try and get you in the right spot, because that is definitely not where you're supposed to be. I might have messed something up earlier because I accidentally clicked on the sprite. Like, not the sprite, the script for this block. So, let's try it again. Ice cream. No, like, what? Why is it not showing up then? Why is it showing up over here? This isn't its spot. So, the My Section thing is... yeah. The section objects. Oh. But it could also be conflicting, so maybe that's the problem? That could very well be the problem, because looking at this, section objects. Yeah, I bet that's what the problem is, isn't it? And then area objects as well. I think I'm starting to find the holes and finding the solutions. Section objects? Yep. So, we're gonna have to create a different one for this sprite. Section objects touchable. There we go. And then we just have to set it there. Section objects touchable, and then just same thing for this. Now, hopefully, this actually works. Because, welcome to Scratch Cooking. Today we're going to take Greeny and mix their name with a bunch of words. We'll eventually make a decent dish. Oh, you can't make a good dish, only a decent one. Okay, so. Oh! Why? Huh? Okay, so. Hey! We got this to work, and I know why this isn't working. It's because section objects obviously messing with the code over here. Yeah, we gotta fix that. Yeah, let's just fix that real fast. Like, act like nothing's happened. If we go down here. Oh, and okay, section objects touchable. Okay, yeah. And then, as for the type, I think this is also conflicting with the enemies, like, type. So we're gonna have to create another one as well. Does this idle animation go with the beat of the music? No, but it is going with the beat of the music. What the heck? I didn't even realize that. That's kind of funny, actually. Okay, object, no, type, object, touchable. You could make it so it does, depending on the song. That'd be kind of hard to do, though, especially with, like, how the animation system works right now. I'm getting pings. Discord. Okay, so, now we just gotta do object and then type object touchable. Yep. And type object touchable. Correct. And then this should hopefully fix the problems. My screen's. Does the game have plans for a story with cutscenes? Yes, actually. The cutscenes are going to be like in a comic book style, because like the story of the game is that Greeny the Blox, like the world, is a comic book. So, yeah. Okay, so, we're making progress. I've never done Scratch in a long time, I can't remember. That is kind of sad. So, this right here is not in the right spot, but that's okay. Section, objects touchable, I fixed that, right? Yeah, I did, but it doesn't seem to be in the right spot. If I change that. Oh wait, that just may be the normal one. Oh, because I haven't changed it yet. I haven't. Section objects touchable. My section object. Yep, my object touchable. And now if we do that, hopefully everything is fixed. Maybe. Anyways, I do this every stream. Let's get some purple monkeys, because I think the funny monkey that's purple is funny. I don't know why. I just like the purple monkey. So, let's see if this fixes anything. Why is it still there? What is it doing? My section. LB check Discord DMs. Okay. Oh! Okay, I like this. I like this. Okay, hold on. Let's pause Greeny real fast. Okay, I like this. So let me pull it up on stream real fast. New window. Add new instead. And then Discord. Here we are. So Tails just told me to show this art on stream. Look at that! Oh my gosh, that's adorable. And it just springs everywhere. Junk. Oh, wait a second. It's not like properly sized, is it? Let's fix that. Hey, look at that. It's almost properly sized. That's cute. I really like that. That's really cute. Cute pixels. This is awesome. Yeah. Oh, wait, what are you typing? What are you doing, Tails? Hello, YT. Guys, say hi back to Tails. Hello, Discord. Okay, let's get back to the stream. Why do I have notifications on Scratch? Okay, it's someone just liking the early demo. Cool. Okay, back. Just realized it's Tails. Hi, Tails. Now it's time to go back to coding. Say goodbye, Tails. So, what to do? Because the my section is for this. Maybe just like, object number may have something to do with it. Maybe. This message is automatically hidden review like Okay, so this item right here is not in the right spot. So let's go over here and see if like it's gonna change its position. No. It's still over here. That's really strange. Have to spam the purple monkey. No! We love the purple monkey, but you can't spam it. Okay, but this is like really strange. Why is this not working? The item's there. We know for a fact that this spawned in the right spot, and it only works once. Fantastic. Not sure why I had to manually approve your message of a water vehicle emojis. Yeah, that's really strange. Not as strange as this though. What? This makes no sense. Also, I kind of increased Greeny's speed a bit. Oh, well, there goes that item. I didn't mean for that to happen, so we're gonna have to restart. Yippee. Okay. Oh, I got stuck on a wall. Okay, so I switched over to section 4 and it's still here. What? Section objects? So maybe I need to like change it again? Like one for this one? Have an apple. Oh, thank you. Apples are really good. Objects, section. Which sprite has the most blocks? I genuinely don't know. Section, objects, touchable, decoration. Sprite cranberry. I'm extremely funny. That's really funny. Section, objects, touchable decoration. Yeah. And then we go down to here. Section, objects, touchable decoration. I'm guessing either the player or the enemies. It maybe it's like the controller. The controller has quite the amount of code in it. Oh, did it work? It worked! Yes! Look at that. My code actually worked for once, guys. I cannot believe it. Oh my gosh. And if we go over here, the spring's there. Oh my god. How beautiful. That's awesome. Okay. So now what I get to do is... now I get to add all this stuff back. And it should work perfectly fine. Let's test it out. Oh, and I can also hide this. By the way, you can check how many blocks the sprite has by right-clicking in the code and looking at delete number blocks option. That is true. But then I might accidentally delete the code, and I don't want to do that. Okay, come on. Moment of truth. The water's all here. Waterfall's here. That ice thing's there. The spring's here. This is looking really great. Okay, well, that was a bit broken for a second, but we fixed it. I mean, don't actually click the button. Well, yeah. Oh my gosh, everything actually loaded. And then we have the teeny tiny spider over here. It's not supposed to be that small. Oh my gosh, everything's actually working. Oh, well, except that. Don't tell me it's over here somewhere as a spring. If it is, I'm gonna lose it. But I don't think that's the case. But I think I accidentally deleted the code. Whoops. It's not the end of the world. I can add it later. Okay, Rick Gray, can you please stop doing that? I don't want to, like, time you out or anything. So, please stop. Okay, so first of all, let's check this stuff. I'm gonna first save this because, thank gosh. Yeah, save that. Okay, so let's see. Delete 1002 blocks. Holy smokes. Why'd you stop the project? Mainly just because I'm looking at how many blocks each like sprite has. Greeny has 1002 blocks. Jeez. What about the controller? Oh yeah, 1271 blocks. Jeez. Why is there so many? Oh my gosh. The enemies though. I'm actually kind of curious about this. 903? Okay. So I think the controller has the most, like, scripts. Guess how many blocks Paper, Minecraft, and Terraria have? I don't even want to guess. They're probably, like, so many. Oh my... Like, this game in total now is 12,371 blocks. That's, like, enormous. Oh my gosh. Paper Minecraft 20,000, and to be honest, Terraria 23,000. Yeah, I think that Greeny the Blox is gonna have more blocks in it than those two games. Just like being honest, because holy smokes, Rick Gray, can you stop trying to spam emojis? It's not funny, my thing. Yeah, Greeny the Blox is going to be a pretty big game. I actually played some, like, unreleased music earlier in the stream. Two of them, like, where is it? Here's one of them, the library. It sounds better here. Like, actually, wait, I just probably have the file. The file probably sounds better. Mine's at 14,000. Gosh dang. Yeah, but, I have some, like, unreleased music, but I don't know if I'm going to share right now, because, like, I obviously played it at the beginning of the stream, but now that we have that object situation sorted out, which, thank goodness, that took forever, what should I work on next? I'm trying to spread out all the blocks to make sure that, like, all sprites have around 1,000 or less. It looks like you're doing well with that, too. Yeah. I should probably, like, make folders of... Create folder. No, not the base. Idle. So I just, like, add this to the beginning of all of them. Okay. I'm not going to do that on stream, though. And I... Actually, is that going to, like, affect anything? I don't like one sprite with 5,000 blocks. No, others have 200. I think that's how my game's gonna end up like. This doesn't affect the animation, does it? No. Okay. So I'll work on the folder later. So what should I work on now then? I have the power-up I can work on. Ooh, I could work on the title screen a bit. Change the Blox engine, which I need to change to Blox framework because it's not really an engine, because Scratch is the engine it's in. Look at this beautiful background made by my friend Draxno. Like, oh my gosh, dude. His art, it's like perfection. Can you add easy mode for players like me? The game's not going to be that hard, don't worry, but... Yo, I can't believe G made it into Roblox! Ah, here's the music. I'm gonna turn it up a bit so you can just listen to it. It's pretty calming. yeah, that's about it. You said that it sounds like the Chirpy 4 title screen. I've actually never played Chirpy 4, so I would not know that. But I was like kind of inspired by Mario Galaxy for the whole like music after the title screen music thing. And I accidentally opened up OBS, so I don't want to do that. Anyways, I'm trying to think of like what to add to this title screen, because like so far I've made the clouds in the background move, which I think looks pretty cool. But what else? Maybe you should make the title screen animated. Well, like, yeah, the clouds in the background are animated, but I'm trying to like think of what else. Like maybe the water could be animated. So you really want a good first impression? Yes, obviously. Maybe like have the stuff in the background like moving to like left to right. You can make it change time of day. Well, I wanted it to be kind of like this the entire time, but it's actually a pretty good idea. I just really like the sunset shadows on the mountains. Yes, because the mountains are like untextured right now. Sorry, I'm saying too much. Just feeling. No, they're good ideas. Maybe we could have like birds in the background fly by a few times. Okay. No one's gonna like be seeing them. That'd be cool. We don't have to add that much detail right now. I'll add birds in my game right now. Okay. That'd probably look really cool. Also, it feels kind of surreal knowing like this is a game that I myself am making. I never expected that I would make a game like this. Like seriously, like holy smokes. Fix that. It's a bit like weird. When it's finished, it'll be so satisfying. Yeah, that's what I'm hoping for. Because a bunch of people said I've like already perfected the engine, which is, or rather framework, whatever it's called. Which is definitely a good thing to know that people like the engine already. So I don't have to worry about it like not playing like bad or anything. I just hope people will hopefully like the story and all that stuff. Why did I do that? Oh no, what have I done? Oh, did I not finish this? What am I doing? Oh well, it's not the end of the world. Why is this so long? Jeez. Here we are. So I'd say that mountain looks pretty good. We're gonna want to add some like detail to it though, because it looks kind of bland right now. So let's see. Make it kind of like this. Oh, did I not add that detail to this? Oh, whoops. Oh, I accidentally inverted it. Might want to add a bit more like shading though. Maybe like a few more sides actually. Like over here it could have like a different face to it. Oh shoot, jeez, that's not good. There we go. Oh, oops. And there we go. So, I'm also going to want to add a bit of shading to this because it looks a bit weird right now. Like without any. Maybe a bit too far. Okay, let's just get this color so then we can have a more natural shade. Yeah, that looks nice. Keep muting the stream. Aw, you're fine. You don't really have to worry about it. Oh, there's already like a different kind of face down here. Okay, so let's make this like lighter in general, and then we can have this. Yeah, that looks pretty good now in my opinion. Where'd everyone else go? I don't know. I think they might just be like listening to the music. Let me see everyone that's here right now, participants. That doesn't tell me anything. I'm working on my own game. Everyone just comes in to like watch the stream while also working on the game, just tuning in, like a little podcast. The official Greeny the Blox live stream. Hey, what's up, Cosmic? But yeah, the official Greeny the Blox live stream. Like, I asked Flowplex if this was like a good idea, and he's like, "No, it's not." I'm like, "Okay, I'm still gonna do it." Cause like, I want to share what I've been working on with you guys. Sam, I haven't been on the internet over a year or two. Jeez. That's been quite the while. Also, welcome to the stream. Let's color this. That should be like a darker color because it's farther away. Yeah, that looks good. And then we can have this one be lighter. What color should I add to the add the first bird? Well, what setting is the place in that like you're making? Because that kind of depends on what kind of birds it would be. It's just the field. Maybe some red cardinals, a few blue jays, and your like average kind of. What other kind of birds are there? Birds. Common birds. Common gackle? No, grackle? What's a grackle? Okay. Also, if this music ever like gets tiring, just tell me. I can like I can mute the project and just put on different music to listen to. Let's see what else. Okay, so it's a transparent piece. This isn't though. That's strange though. Okay. What else? Gonna want to add more shadows, but right now let's work on some birds. Okay. Costume 5, right? Yep. How does that come up from the screen up here? Change X by -5. There we go. -344, 170. Welcome back, Speedy. 10 seconds to like 0, 170. There he is, and he's gonna like want to go down a bit. Maybe 20 seconds. Or maybe instead, have this start at 50 and this start at 170. How does the controller plugin actually work? Does TurboWarp save the button mapping to their servers? So how it works is that when you save like the it's in the stage. This is the gamepad support right here. You can save the gamepad support and it leaves this comment in here. And what the comment does is that it stores that controller support. So then when you're in the packager and you like kind of enable the gamepad support, then it reads from this for what the controls should be. this like goes across the entire screen, right? Yeah, okay, awesome. No, not that. Eight, 9, 10. Okay. So then forever like repeats. Okay, let's try this. Let's make it like 10 to 20 seconds. Maybe 5. Now if we start it. Two different birds together, flying together. $50 to 100. So 170 to 150. Here comes the bird. You know what? I think this is pretty good. I did a tweet. That looks nice. Thanks. Oh geez, 6 notifications. Make that joke. Hajonk. Yo. But I think it's doing pretty good. Birds aren't real. Don't shoot the bird. Okay. So, I haven't been looking because I was looking at Twitter to see if the birds actually get smaller. Oh, they do. Oh, but that's a bit too fast. I do like how they get smaller though. Can make their wings off sync? Probably. Do that though, I need to have a random weight block up here. So let's try that out. There we are. Well, look at that. Then they fly off into the distance. They flying. They are flying. Look at them go. And off they go. I don't know why, I just like looking at the screen. Maybe I should work on the water next. Oh shoes, huh, messing with the animation. Ah, crap. I messed up one of the animations on accident. Let me fix that. I see if I making it slowly turn to night and then back. Yeah. There we go, I think I fixed it. Let's see how the birds look. There we go. It's gonna cause a few glitches, but whatever. So it's gonna be costume 3 now. This is costume 2. Is this the main menu? No, this is the title screen. It would be cool if this was the main menu, though. I mean, like, this back... Ain't no way, it's a good BG. Yeah, Draxno made it. No wonder it's good. Okay, so... let's work on, like, making this become nighttime. So I'm gonna take the sun out of that. And it still has the stars, right? Yeah. Something about the sunset touching the water is... I don't know. Full game plan for release? Probably sometime next year. The sun touching the water, you said, though? Well, like, the sun's not really touching the water. It's more so like having a sun rise on the watershed. Look up horizon pics. You should make the daylight cycle sync with your own. Ooh, that would be really cool. The sun looks like it's touching water in, like, these. That would take too long. There's, like, clouds behind it, and, like, in this one, the clouds are... yeah, it's behind the clouds. No, I think he meant, like, for the cycle to happen. People would never see all the time if they only play it once. That's true. Sun. Okay, let me make a variable for this. BG number. And if morning's too boring, then maybe we can start sunset, then go to night, then fade back. Wonder how easy it would be to add a mode where you can play in either the regular scratch activation and widescreen after interval. That'd be quite strange. But, like, there is, like, a detector someone made where, like, you can detect if it's in a widescreen aspect ratio or not. So, I don't know. BG number, and just change it. It's fun, like, doing these streams, especially, like, right now, where just have a bunch of different coders come in and we just talk. I know an algorithm that can change your position depending on the ratio. I mean, it probably wouldn't be that hard. I say that and then I'll, like, try to do it and I'll fail miserably. There's thunderclouds outside. Equals 3. Switch costume to BG. Actually, BG should be first. So 1 should be the BG. Okay. Doing some fun layering. Then the sun. Yeah, let's put the BG back up here. BG. Sun. And then finally the water. Okay. Sun. You could just make it so the player changes it manually. That probably wouldn't be a good idea. And then finally, let's make 5 the birds. Water. There we go. So I made a Chrome extension for that. That's really cool. Wait, where's the sun at? Oh, I forgot the 5th layer. Hold up, what is... What's in beta right now? Why did it send what? Oh, that emoji? I don't know. Wait, what's the extension called? Wait, the birds don't have any animation. Oh, it's because... Whoops. Also, let's have the birds, like, go behind the rocks. This face the link. It's called Blox Live. Look at that bird fly in the air so gracefully. Oh wait, I forgot one. It's a BG numbered 5, right? No, 4. There we go. Now 2 birds should spawn. There's the birds. Look at the birds fly. And now we can work on the sun and the cycle. So let's switch costume to the sun itself. Show 0, 0 until like what? They make a Firefox version one day, because then I would use that all the time, so I don't want to chat with any scratches anymore. Man. A lot of my old friends that were on Scratch, like, changed a lot, so I just don't talk to them as much. Besides, like, Tails and, Sophia, and a few other people. Okay, less than 2. Negative 0.5. Y position. Oh wait, I'm an idiot. It's less than negative 95. Yeah, it's like, yo, Blox Live is awesome. What's Blox Live? I gotta see this. Also, I got a ping. Let's go. Block Life. Scratch real-time collaboration? What? Will Scratch work together in a real single project? Ever wanted to collab with Scratch project with someone who realizes so I thought welcome to Blox a lot. Yo. What? That's awesome. Okay, use current real time. That's awesome. Holy smokes. That was, if that was like on Turbo, does that work on Turbo Warp? If it did, that'd be awesome. I don't think it does though. Only one way to. I don't think so. Yeah. But it should work on Scratch, which, jeez. Yeah, Blox Share Live. Friends must friends whitelist you. How does that work? Well, anyways, I don't really have to worry about it right now. But can you stream it? I don't know how to add people. Okay, hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so how do you become friends with someone? I'm checking it out right now. Unlink. Okay. Okay, so click the X icon and whitelist someone. Click the X icon. What's the X icon? Oh, add username. Okay, I see it. So, let me find someone. Spybaz. Okay. I can show it, sure. Just a second. Let me add a window. Where's it oh, this. Here it is. Not the right aspect ratio, but still. There we go. It won't fit perfectly. Ah. Okay, so what do I need to do? Oh, we checked on your stuff and see if... Blox. I collaborator spy. Who's spy? No, spy dies. Yep. Alright, how are we trying to check you? I have to add you manually, yeah. Also, I'm gonna have to like end the stream soon, guys, because I'm gonna have to start like working on dinner, so that's fun. Hey, well, let me... Fine, just a second. Speedy 663. Yeah. Just a second, Nova. Okay, so I have to become friends with you first. Nova Dev. Yo, there he is. Underscore. Okay, I sent the friend request, but it's not like showing the thing. Oh, there it is. Yo. Change the Scratch Cat's color or something, I don't know. I want to see how it works. Yo! That's awesome! Holy smokes! I didn't think that would work. Oh my gosh. Oh, I need the extension. Get the extension. I added you to this so you can join. Scratch Cat, what happened? Okay. Actually, no, let's do HD upload. Look what I've done. There I am. Tails, no. Should I get Chrome just for this? I mean, I'm using this on Edge, so I mean, like, you don't really need to get Chrome. There he is. Okay. Oh, speaking of that bug, I fixed it. Let's go. What stuff do I have in here? Here we are. Old Q. Oh gosh, that's a mess. Just delete all of that. Show. Ugh. Look how ugly that is. It's really gross. And then we also have Foo. Delete all of that. These guys, this is what they originally looked like, guys. Yeah, and now they look like this. Oh jeez. Yeah. Look at that difference. Gosh dang. Very big difference. But this is actually a really like cool thing. Like the music's still playing here, jeez. Well, I'll continue working on that at a different date. Let me save where I'm at now. And I think that's all the time I have for today's stream. Gotta go work in case it works for me. Okay, let me first friend request you. BNNMN 444 TV test. Okay, now I gotta type that in again. BNNMN 444 TV test. There you are. Sparky! Hey, why are you advertising your website? There's only one thing that shall be advertised here. Rules. Here it is. Only one thing shall be... Wait, what happened? Wait, what happened? Yeah, only one thing shall be advertised here. My Discord server. Mwahaha. No! What do you mean no? What's wrong with my Discord server? This is actually really cool, my gosh. No, you'll get banned. I'm not gonna publish the project, I just have it in the editor. Plus, I've said the word Discord on Scratch before. In about like 10 minutes, I'm gonna have to go and like make dinner. Gosh dang. Yeah, I said the Discord word. What are you gonna do? We're just gonna like mess around in this now. Okay. Take cover. I hear Scratch Cat approaching. Scratch Cat would never, like, come and attack. Uh-oh. Guys, he's here. Uh-oh. He's not very happy. I don't know why it's like glitching out a bit. Bruh. It's quite glitchy. And then he says... No Discord allowed. How beautiful. Wait, what's down here? Oh no, that's that. I see writing down here. What's this? I hate Scratch Cat. Tails the Scratch. What are you guys doing to him? This plugin should really be an official feature. I'm guessing the main reason it's not is because Scratch Team would have to worry about like people ruining other people's projects and other stuff like that, which is why they want you to use the remix button, because then the original project is still intact and nothing is lost. Wait, Scratch Cat's happy? What happened? Did he have a change of heart? He's smiling now. Oh no! He turned into an EXE! How could you? Okay, I'm gonna end the stream because if Scratch Team sees this, they're gonna be like, you're banned. So, thank you guys all for coming out today. It was really fun to, like, code with you guys, and you springs everywhere. Oh my gosh. So, yeah. Thank you all for coming so much, and I'm gonna let you guys head out and listen to some nice, calming music. So, until next time, see ya!